Welcome to our channel. If you want to protect yourself from cryptocurrency scams, follow these step-by-step instructions to safeguard your investments and personal information. Step 1. Research any cryptocurrency project thoroughly before investing by reading the white paper, checking the team's credentials, reviewing the project's roadmap, and looking for independent audits or reviews from reputable sources. Step 2. Verify that the project has a legitimate website with proper contact information, active social media accounts with genuine engagement, and a transparent development team whose identities can be confirmed. Step 3. Be extremely cautious of investment opportunities that promise guaranteed returns, unrealistic profits, or pressure you to invest quickly. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is a scam. Step 4. Never share your private keys, seed phrases, or wallet passwords with anyone, including people claiming to be customer support representatives. Legitimate companies will never ask for this sensitive information. Step 5. Use only reputable cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets that have strong security measures, positive user reviews, and regulatory compliance. Avoid unknown platforms or those with limited information available. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication on all your crypto accounts and use hardware wallets for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency offline, away from potential hackers and online threats. Step 7. Watch out for phishing attempts through fake websites, emails, or messages that try to steal your login credentials. Always double-check URLs and never click on suspicious links. Step 8. Report suspected scams to relevant authorities and warn others in the community to prevent them from becoming victims of the same fraudulent schemes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.